It's unbelievable. Look at that. Look at, bro, this is unfucking believable.
Feel free to move out of the way if you want, otherwise just stay still. Up to you. You're not going to force it.
And he's pushing people's stuff on the floor.